Cisco Business Dashboard, CBD, is a powerful tool for monitoring and managing devices within your Cisco Business Network. Once CBD is configured, information is collected from the network. It is analyzed and sent to the dashboard through direct managed and/or probe managed devices. A probe is typically used when devices are not directly accessible to the dashboard. It collects the data and sends it to the dashboard. This may be due to various network restrictions. Direct managed devices directly communicate with the dashboard in real time. They can also discover other devices in the broader network and add them to the dashboard's inventory. To associate a direct managed device with the dashboard, configurations on both the dashboard and the device need to be done. This process allows the device to be pre-configured before installation. The minimum requirement for this setup is CBD version 2.6.0.1. I'll use version 2.7.0, the latest available at the time of this recording. For more information on the devices supported by CBD, required firmware versions, or their options for connectivity, see the link in the description. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll guide you through the initial setup of directly managed devices for CBD. Next. To begin, click the Add Network button to add a network. Specify the network name, provide a description, and map it to the default organization and default device group. Next, enter the location. This will automatically populate the state and country fields. Put in the postal code for that location and click Next. Here, there are two options available: Direct Managed and Probe Managed. Select Direct Managed. On the device credential page, add the credentials configured on your network device. Click Next to review the summary and Finish to complete. This next section has three options: Onboard devices, Set up a network configuration, or Set up network plug and play. I'll click on Onboard devices to connect the first devices to the dashboard. I'll start with Cisco Catalyst 1200 and 1300 switches with firmware version 4.1, the minimum requirement to be compatible with the dashboard. The procedure for this is displayed on the screen. At this point, the network is showing as offline. Instructions are provided on what needs to be done on the network device or switch. It shows the dashboard address and the port configuration. Navigate to the Administration menu on the switch and select the Cisco Business Dashboard settings. Enable the probe operation and the dashboard connection. For the dashboard definition, I'll choose by IP address and enter the IP address of the dashboard. The port will be 443 as configured on the dashboard side. For the connection setup, there are two options: online with web browser and offline with access key. I'll use the online with web browser option and click Apply. Click OK on the Confirm Connection Setup pop-up window. This brings you to the Cisco Business Dashboard login page. Authenticate with the username and password configured on the dashboard. Once logged in, the option to create a network or associate a network is given. Since I've already created a network on the dashboard, I'll associate with that network. The type will be Direct Managed. The name and location will be populated automatically. Upon clicking Next, a summary page will show. Click Finish. The page will take some time to load. Once complete, a success notification will appear, and the probe status will be active, but the dashboard status will show as disconnected. Upon refreshing the page, the dashboard status will show as connected. Return to the Cisco Business Dashboard page. Although it's still discovering devices on the network and showing as offline, once you refresh the page, the status will change. Click Finish. A pop-up notification will indicate that you have successfully onboarded your network. The dashboard will then redirect you to the network topology page. Click OK. The topology has been loaded and the device details are showing. The SBS network status is showing as online. Return to the main dashboard page to see a summary of the network including the inventory summary, network infrastructure, device health, switch port utilization, and traffic on specific ports. And there you have it. The initial setup for directly managed devices on the Cisco Business Dashboard is complete. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.